Hello YouTubers, Dan Swallow here with part 2 of the sub basin and pump install. I can say that this job is complete and very functional. From the $2,000 estimate that I received to put in the sub pump, I managed to save close to $1,500 by doing it myself. Parts, the pump was more expensive than anything. I mean, it was like over 200 bucks, I think. I was definitely, I would say somewhere between 400, 450 I spent for the parts. But I tell you, they deserve every penny if I would have let them do it. I mean, it wasn't easy. You know, considering that I'm 57 years old, I had to dig a hole about 3 feet deep. And that wasn't easy. There was a lot of clay and a lot of rock that I had to dig through. It was pretty tough. But you know, when you finally complete a job, you really feel good about it. You know, so it's really worth doing, and just, you know, don't rush it. Just take your time, like I did. It took me about a week and a half total. I also added the GFCI plug and ran that wire not far down to there, right into that electrical box there. That wasn't too bad. And as you can see, the outlet pipe going up and through the foundation and out the other side and into the downspout from my rain downspout. I'll show you that in a few seconds. And I also added a overflow valve in the sink here, in case the washing machine clogs up the drain, and instead of spilling over, it should just reach up to that overflow valve and then out to the side and down into the sub basin. Hasn't happened. The water never really overflowed, but you never know. Things happen. Plus, it serves another purpose, and it's probably the main reason why I did it. I wanted to install a check valve in the sewer pipe, the pipe that leads out to the sewer, in case the sewer backs up with water. With a check valve, it won't come into the basement. And they wanted $1,200 for that. Here's the sewer pipe going down into the basement floor there. To put a check valve there, the guy wanted $1,200. Man, that's a lot of money, you know, but there's a lot of work involved, you know. I think that's probably a good price if you really want somebody to do it. But I figure, well, let me save $1,200 by putting a drain valve in the sink. Because when if the water ever backs up, I heard it did happen once from my neighbor across the street who lived here over 20 years, that the drain backed up and it just backed right into his basement. And if that happens, where is that going to go? Well, the water's going to come in, and it's going to go up, it's going to find the nearest outlet, and the nearest outlet is this sink. Follow me? So, the drain, the water from the store will come up through the sink, through the drain there, and out that overflow outlet, and then down into the sub basin. Boy, I tell you, I can really think of stuff, man, when I want to. So that saved me $1,200 by not putting a check valve in. I think that will work. Hey, worth a shot. I mean, the guy lived here 20 years, he said. It happened once. So what's the chance of it happening again? Okay, let me take you outside and show you how I got the outlet valve, the outlet pipe, hooked up to my downspout. Well, here it is. The other side of the outlet pipe. Drilled it right into the downspout, the rain downspout. And it goes in there underneath the cement patio and out of this outlet. So that's about it. Job complete. Thank you, YouTube, for watching. Leave your comments. Any questions you might have, I'll be willing to answer them. Thanks again.